Hey guys, today we're going to make a very special Ayurvedic home remedy for cold and cough. This is an Ayurvedic herbal tea known as Trikatu tea. In Trikatu we use 3 spices. They are dry ginger or salt, kali mirch or black pepper, and long pepper or pipli. So what we do in Trikatu is that we take equal quantities of all these 3 spices and we make a coarse powder in a mortar pestle. Make sure that all these 3 ingredients are in equal quantities. And we'll make a coarse powder. We'll not add the full powder. We'll store it and we'll add only 1 teaspoon of it. We'll make a coarse powder and the powder looks like this. What we'll do, we'll add just 1 tablespoon of it in the tea. Let's add some water. We'll add around a cup and a half of water. So that when it will boil, it will reduce to 1 cup. We'll take 1 teaspoon. For taste and for flavor, we can add little bit of cloves and some. This is cardamom powder. If you want, because I like cinnamon, so I'm adding a bit of cinnamon stick also. If you want, you can add it or it's optional. We'll boil it for around 5 to 10 minutes. So it's already been 7 minutes. Our tea is boiled and ready. Let's strain it. It smells so good. So this tea can be a bit spicy for kids, and because it has a lot of black pepper in it, what we can do, we can add some palm jaggery. This will give a very nice and sweet flavor. Have this tea at least twice a day and say bye-bye to your cold and cough. Thank you.